Guys, I just wanted to make this quick little video because this gizmo is really cool, but it also can be a little tricky. So just to understand what to click. So I just wanted to show you real quick. You're going to go and you're going to click start. You can turn off the music here if you'd like. You don't have to keep it on. But we're going to go to level 4 for this. Here's going to be solving one-step equations, solving two-step equations. So if you need help, you can certainly go back there. But here we're going to go to level 4, and you can just click through whichever you'd like. We're going to start with 1. And it just kind of helps you to understand distributing before you solve a two-step equations. So he's going to say, this little guy, little eyes here, is going to help you, the little variable, and he's going to say distributive property first. So because I want to distribute, what do I want to distribute? The 2. So I'm going to click the 2 and then click distribute. And he goes through and he distributes for you. Now he makes little sounds. You can click those off as well. And then because we're distributing here, we're not really going to do anything with this 11 yet. So we're just going to click to copy it down. And he says you're okay. Now, if I do something wrong, he'll stop me and tell me. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to come over here and click because I want to multiply 2 times 7. So I'm going to click to simplify that. And then it's going to do the 2 times 7. And here we go with 11 again. Like I haven't done anything yet to the left side because the right side, because I've only been simplifying the left side. Now I've got my two-step equation, which I'm going to go ahead and solve. I have multiplication and addition, so I need to do subtraction and division. I'm going to subtract 14 first. So I'm going to click to subtract over here, and I'm going to type in 14 and say, okay, I'm done. And then with the 11, now I'm going to do something to the right side. I'm going to click that I want to subtract something over here, which is the 14, and click done. And so he likes it. So he'll yell at you if he doesn't like it. All right, next we want to simplify here. And we want to go ahead and he'll do that for me. Simplify here. So he'll do 11 minus 14 for me. Finally, I want to undo that multiplication by dividing both sides by 2. And so this is just walking you through the process of solving, okay? And he's not going to turn your answer into a mixed number. So once it's already simplified, which we need to do that, we're going to simplify the fraction here. So it shows me that I just get n. And then over here, I'm going to simplify the fraction, but you'll see when he simplifies, he leaves it as a improper fraction, and that's okay. So when you think you're done, you click solved, and he tells you if you did a good job. And so you can do as many of these as you want. All right. Have a good day.